Okay, we're in Microsoft Excel and we've been tasked with counting the number of prices listed in each of these cells. So it's the number of numbers excluding the transaction number. Now I'm going to extract those numbers using a regular expression, in fact this one here. If you're keen to know exactly how that regular expression works, you can pause the video and read this. I'll also leave this regular expression in the description of this video. So we're going to use regex extract. The text is here in A2, and the pattern is to go in speech marks as your regular expression. And the return mode is going to be all matches. We want to return all numbers. And if I close the bracket and press enter, you can see it returns each of those numbers, but each of those numbers is in fact a text value. You can see that because each of the numbers are on the left of the cell. Now to return them as numbers, just put two minus signs in front of the formula, and now they've moved over to the right, so they're stored as numeric values. Now I want to exclude the transaction number, so basically I only want to count numbers after this colon. So to do that I can use text after. So text after in cell A2, and the delimiter is the colon. So then I close the bracket for text after, press enter. You can see it only returns two of those numbers. So the next thing I need to do is count them. So I can use the count function for that. And there's my 2, copy it down, and it does the calculation for the other cells.